Okay, guys, Perfect Sage here, day 2 of White Noise. Today we were playing on Founders Hall. Playing with the same people again, Nuke the Whales, and Soul. We're gonna try and get all 8 tapes. We're playing on Nightmare again, so Mr. Fantastic Pants here is gonna spawn a lot more. And let me see if I have a better character to do here. I'm surprised I don't have that character that you have, Soul. Alright. You wish. Hold on, let me go to my settings because no. What? What? That's nice. Alright, I guess we're starting then. I was gonna try and do it so they could hear you through my TV. I would just have to turn my TV up, but I remember you have to go to the system settings, so I'd have to go to the dashboard. Okay, are we all together here? Alright, we're gonna go this way. What it's what crack does. Oh, watch Green Rock. It's on the wall to the right. Get. Oh my god. Oh, there's a radio up here, guys. God, you scared me, Kieran. I didn't know what you were. I was just like, what? What the fuck is that? Rock. I hear the rock straight to the right. Why is there a random tombstone in here? I'm waiting for him. I sense him coming. Another random tombstone. The hell? Why is there random tombstones? Why is there random growling? I am too. I'm waiting for him to pop out of nowhere. Oh my god! Nope. Nope. No, like he just came out of nowhere for me. He always. Fuck you, Rock. Fuck you. God, fuck you. Fucking douche. God. They're trapping us. He does this to me all the time. It's not fair. Dude, there are multiple rocks in this game. Yeah, this is Founder's Hall. I wanna look in here. But I'm afraid he's just gonna come out of nowhere again. No, he's behind us. Run. 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 Oh, we're not. He's not in there. There's nothing in there. Turn around. Is he? Let me look. He's not behind us. Nope. I couldn't get out of the slide between the green rock and him. There is a radio in that room where he was at. If you guys can get back up here. Ah, stop, you're splitting up. There you go. Okay, go back in that room. Remember, I can't see him, so... Radio's right here. Mm-hmm. Whatever. Come on, I'm a ghost, and you guys are probably go play Fable for a little bit. When he's gonna die. Radio up here. And, right or left? Left or right? I'll go right. Out. Green and pick. Right or straight? Right or left? Right or left, Greenup? Oh, there's a radio in here anyway. This will be number 5. Three more. She acts like a blonde sometimes. Let's go in. Damn, I can't believe we've already got 6. Left or right? Karina. Right. No me gusta. Oh. We're going in a circle. Come back around. That's shorter than the last one. Let's see if we want a circle. Damn. Yep, right there. Oh. No, you're not dead yet. You died. Yeah, we need to hit the middle one. Especially when you don't know where the middle is. Okay, guys, thank you for watching day 2 of Road to 8 tapes. Hopefully we'll find all 8 of them on the next map, which is the St. Martin or something. One of them. We'll find 8 tapes on one of them one day. Well, thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe, comment, like. It helped me out a lot. Thanks. Peace.